Hey guys, it's the Crimson Dragon here, and sorry that I haven't been making videos very often because I have a lot to do. But ready for this? Do you hear that? That's my fire. Whew. That makes my phone really cold. Anyway, so I made this video because someone called animal control on me and my family because my dog Ella, hey Ella, hey, get in the camera. she doesn't like cameras. Hey, please. Well, anyway, she's an animal control shepherd, and someone called animal control on us because Ella, she likes to be outside, like, all day. I mean, today, probably gonna upload it tonight? I don't know. Probably tomorrow. So, it's really windy today. So I went to my grandma's today and ate and had some Christmas there. And I had Christmas at my house. So someone called animal control on us because Ella, she likes to be outside a lot. And so, we don't know who it was. Oh, this cardboard box isn't very comfortable. It's not what I sleep on, by the way. I sleep up those stairs, if you can even see them. I live up though. I live in the room on the left. Anyway, so, hey, Austin, turn off your music. Making a video. Okay, well, anyway. So, Dad decided, it's like, my dog, she has a hole outside that she likes to lay in and sleep in, right? So, she was like in that hole or something, and like the people call animal control and they're like, that's where the dog's home is. That's where she sleeps every day. And like, we have no clue who it is. Ready? A clip of my weird dog staking something. What did you get? Why do you have a dart? What the? Too bad. Grabbed a Nerf dart. But yeah, I have no clue why they call animal control. Like, maybe they're just stupid. Because our dog is perfectly cared for. I'm in my fort. It's very dark in here. Never mind. I'm getting out of my fort. Okay, well. Anyway, if you like this video, like the video. Subscribe. Subscribe and like this video. Post.
No.
Well, leave a comment down below saying, what the heck, dog? Not saying what the heck, dog. Because my dog just got something. Anyway, like this video if you did like it. Subscribe. And I don't know. So, goodbye.